Many of you are doing an amazing job with the gold on steroids software, but I just want to update you. And if you're interested in getting the software, if you're interested in trading in this way, then just message me and we'll get you started immediately and start making money trading gold as a professional gold trader. Now, if you have the gold on steroids software and the settings you don't quite have, then let me know. We'd make the adjustments that you need. We're always looking to get better performance throughout using the charts. So here's an update and I will give you the settings. Just message me. We'll get you going straight away. So in the first instance, we can see that the gold on steroids software is highly accurate. It comes down, it goes up. We have an outside bar, as we call it. We have an outside bar, we have an outside bar, we have an outside bar, and if we get an outside bar here, guess what? We'd be going long. So let me just update you a little bit on how this works. So once we get the green and a buy signal, then we go long, and once we get the position to an outside bar, maybe here, we exit. Now in this instance, we can see that the stochastic is oversold in an uptrend, highly likely to go up, oversold in an uptrend, highly likely to go up, and so on and so forth. Now the other thing to note here is the volume indicator, highly accurate, and as you buy, just make sure the volume's increasing above the black line, and that indicates further upside momentum. Now you can use this chart on its own all day long, okay? However, what you can do if you want to get accurate, or if you want to day trade, or if you want to scalp gold, there's this settings here on the 5-minute chart, and this is a way of getting into the position much earlier now so that you can bank money very quickly. So let me explain the rules here. Very simple, very straightforward, very easy on the eye, as you can see. And what we have here is a sell signal and a combination of a sell signal and a combination of this trailing stop to bank as much money as possible. Now this might not seem a lot, but if you sold it here, that's 119 pips, or if you're one lot, $1,100. There's one here, isn't there? So let's have a look at this. So put your stop just below that green line, and 190 pips. All you're doing, traders, is you're simply trading. This is a 5-minute chart. It's not a quick chart. It's not a 1-minute chart. So this is, you know, what, 3 or 4 hours. Here's another one here, another sell signal. So again, another 111 pips, 112 pips. There's a buy signal here. Nice 3 to 1, 89 pips there on the buy signal. And all you're doing is trailing your stop. So it does take a bit of, you need to be able to, for instance, come back to your chart at the end of the day or whatever, a few hours later, and just move your stop accordingly to lock in your profits each time. So this is a big move here, 186 pips. Here's a big move here, 149 pips. Actually, it would have been a bit more, wouldn't it? Look at that. If you trail it. So these settings are ready for you. If you're ready to trade this, then I'm happy to support you and get you going, start making a lot of money. Message me. All the links are below. We can get started. The key to this for us is to look out for outside bars. Once you get an outside bar, let me line these up for you. Once you get an outside bar right here on this demand area, volume increases and the price goes up. Notice this green line here as well. It goes red and green as the buyers step in, and this is an outside bar up here, so highly likely to reverse. And let me line that up for you. And there it is there. So previously it was a buy there, then it became a sell, and the price sold off, and you don't know what you'd have banked there. Let's have a look. Depends where you got in, but 66 pips there. So you get the picture. Sometimes it doesn't move as much. That's 112 pips. So a fantastic way to trade. And today, as an example, outside bar, on demand, by the way, notice the yellow blocks are high liquidity areas where the sellers are getting ready, and the price sold off for 130 pips. So if you're ready to get going, let's go.